Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Syntech Fixer. Yeah, today I have this Samsung 32-inch LED TV. It has a rebooting problem. So I'm going to put it on, you see the problem. Then I'm going to fix it. This Samsung 32 inches, okay. So I'm putting it on. See the standby lights. Okay. So watch the screen. So you notice the problem. That's Samsung logo. It's still booting and it will hang like this. You will not process, you will not display properly. You hang like this until you get tired. Even if you try to off it, to press any button, there won't be any reply. Where you saw the button, there won't be any replies. Nothing, no signal. Even the power button, you try to off it, it will not off. Okay, it's a booting problem. So this is the problem. So you see up till now, it's still on Samsung. So it's not really processed. The TV not really displaying. You can see up till now it's still on Samsung logo. So it has a booting problem. Even if you leave it here for 1, 2, 3 hours, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to check the problem, then try and fix it. Unless you remove it from the socket, that's when it's off. Okay, so let's go. So what you do in this case? What you do in this case is in this type of problem logo, the problem definitely is on these two, the processing IC and this BIOS. That's why it's faulty. Sometimes it may be either a faulty USB flash, or something has corrupted the BIOS. It affected the booting process. So let's see how I'm going to fix it. First thing we have to, this is an easy fix. You have to lose these screws here, lose these screws here. Okay. So we're going to discharge the capacitors. Every capacitor on this board, we're going to discharge them. Okay. So that if there is any information that is stored, it will be released. So as you can see now, so you have to turn it. This here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capacitors. So we discharge them one after the other. This is the 5 volts. Find something and join them. You wait for some minutes. Okay. And leave for 5 seconds. You go to the next capacitor. You discharge it. Hold it at least for 5 seconds. You go to the next capacitor and bridge it and hold like that for some 5 seconds too. We go to the next capacitor. Okay, we go to the last one. This process to discharge the capacitor. If there's any little energy stored that may be helping the BIOS to work, it will be discharged. So as it discharge, whatever information left will also be discharged. Okay, so everything will be free. That is that. Okay, this is the button. This is switch. This is the button. This one to help to discharge. You will power any of the button, any of the system, any information there by rolling iron along will help to discharge memory. Okay. So after this, you can come to the board. The buttons, touch them. Each one you hold it for some minutes, for some time. You go to the second one and hold it for some time. Okay. This will have to discharge the memory. After that, you wait for at least some minutes. Okay, wait for some minutes before you test it. Keep holding it and watch until the light resets and watch the screen. Just keep holding the button, pressing it down while plugging the cable. Don't release it. You see the TV has been reset now and is working properly. Just by holding the volume down and channel up buttons, hold two of them firmly and then plug the TV. Okay, and keep holding them while the TV is, and just watch the TV reset itself. As you can see now, it's working fine. Okay, you see the TV is working fine, no problem. You can see the TV is working fine. So that's it. This is the volume. Everything is working fine. Okay. So the TV is back. Everything is working properly. Okay. Without a need to change the motherboard or any other thing. So like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.